Let me start by recognizing that the opinions I'm expressing are a reflection of my feelings now at this point in time. Will I change my mind one day when the AI populace is in full swing? Maybe. It's completely possible that I won't like where all this is going. But as an artist and as someone who has been working as a creative for the past 11 years, right now, this is how I see it. A lot of the artistic community's reaction to AI has been negative, out of fear that the AI is outperforming the artist. Really, artist? You can't think of a way to stand out from AI? Use your imagination. I thought that's what artists do. A lot of artists are worried that with the advances in AI, their audiences will desert them. The emergence of AI very much parallels the emergence of photography, and this will be the millionth video you'll hear mention it.
Here's what I found on the web.
Photography didn't replace art and didn't even replace realism. Why? Because people understand, even on some level, that when they are looking at art, they're looking into the mind of the artist. AI can also generate music, which allows me, as an artist, to think about AI art from a non-artist perspective. Anyone can just type words, and as a result, generate any kind of music they want. But for some reason, my playlist is still filled with music sung by real voices and played by real instruments. There isn't a single AI-generated track in my playlist. Why? Because I don't listen to music merely to hear interesting sound. I listen to music because another human being made that music and is giving me a glimpse into their very self. So if you think AI is coming for your audience, come on, artists, give your audience some more credit than that. The biggest point of contention that the artist community seem to have with AI is that users are typing their names and generating free art made in their styles. Maybe I missed the memo, but I can't figure out why I'm supposed to be bothered by this. As a matter of fact, please type my name into the AI if this is a new way for my fans to enjoy my portfolio of art ideas. So be it. I'm actually very curious what the results would look like. You would think I would have done it by myself by now, but honestly, I'm a bit scared. It's also worth mentioning that in order to have fun generating art in my style, you have to actually know my name in order to type it in. For a long time now, most of the artists that shaped our visual culture died in obscurity. You don't believe me? Off the top of your head, can you give me the name of the guy that designed the Coca-Cola logo? AI might very well turn artists into household names, much in the same way Microsoft Word did to fonts. For those of us old enough to remember an age where most people wouldn't be able to let you know the name of even one font. I'm constantly growing and developing as an artist, and my art is a reflection of that. Part of what makes my art interesting is watching the story unfold. The AI can never fill my shoes because the AI can never tell you what I'm going to do next.